Bay leaf tea. Tea for strengthening the immune system. Bay leaf tea, a booster for the immune system. Ingredients: bouquet of fresh bay leaves, lemon and rosemary. Fresh bay leaf, organic lemons, fresh rosemary. Preparation. Step 1. Wash your fresh herbs. If you have fresh bay leaves, wash them carefully. Pick 3 to 4 medium-sized bay leaves and a small branch of rosemary for 1 liter of tea. Dry leaves should be clean but don't need to be washed. Place the herbs into the teapot. Preparation. Step 2. Boil the water. Boil 1 liter of fresh water and let cool it down to 70 to 75 degrees Celsius before pouring on herbs. In case you like to sweeten the tea, you may add honey or your preferred sweetener to your liking in the cup. However, herbal tea is best without sweetening. Preparation. Step 3. Squeeze the lemon. Take 1 lemon, ideally organic, then you can also use the peel for additional lemon flavor. Wash the lemon, cut it into 2 halves and squeeze the juice into the teapot, ideally made from glass or ceramics, not metal. A 2 cm sized piece of organic lemon peel can be placed together with the herbs. Preparation. Step 4. Pour the water. Pour the water over the ingredients and wait for 10 minutes. Then the tea is ready for consumption. You can leave the herbs in the teapot until you finish the tea. 2 to 4 cups per person per day is fine, per preference. Benefits of bay leaf. Vitamin C. Bay leaves are packed with vitamin C, which helps building a strong immune system. Anti-inflammatory effect. Bay leaves are found to have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects. Vitamin A. Bay leaves also contain zinc and vitamin A, which is good for your eyes. Good for the heart. Bay leaf tea is good for your heart as it contains potassium, antioxidants and iron. Calming effect. Bay leaves can eliminate insomnia and anxiety. Good for digestion. Bay leaves can also be very effective in dealing with irritable bowel syndrome or celiac disease. Bay leaf tea is good for your heart. This is because of its powerful combination of potassium, antioxidants and iron. Bay leaf is one alternative of traditional medicine for lowering blood pressure. One of the constituents of the bay leaf is linalool, which guards against stress and boosts the immune system. Bay leaves are found to possess anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. The bay leaf is a digestive, beneficial for liver, kidney and digestive disorders. Bay leaf helps in slimming processes. Benefits of lemon. Antibacterial and antiviral. Lemons have antibacterial and antiviral qualities. Lemon water mixed with honey can be a great way to boost the body's capability to fight diseases. Boosts immune system. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, a natural antioxidant that improves the immune system. Helps against flu. Lemon is also used against the common cold and flu, H1N1, swine flu, ringing in the ears, tinnitus, and kidney stones. Cell protection. Lemons boost the lymphocytes and protect the cells. Benefits of rosemary. Boost the immune system. Rosemary is a rich source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds which are thought to help boost the immune system and improve blood circulation. antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal. Scientific studies have shown that the carnosic and rosmarinic acids in rosemary have powerful antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Helps against free radicals. Laboratory studies have shown rosemary to be rich in antioxidants, which play an important role in neutralizing harmful particles called free radicals. Increases blood circulation. The herb contains substances that are useful for improving digestion and increasing circulation. Bay leaf trees. California bay leaf, also known as California laurel, Oregon myrtle, and pepperwood, is similar to the Mediterranean bay laurel but has a stronger flavor. Bay laurel, Laurus nobilis trees or bay leaf trees are native to humid climates of the Mediterranean region. Caribbean bay leaf, the leaf of the West Indian bay tree Pimenta racemosa myrtaceae, is used in Caribbean cuisine and to produce the cologne called bay rum. The bay tree is indigenous to Asia Minor, from where it is spread to the Mediterranean and then to other countries with similar climates. Indian bay leaf or Malabathrum Cinnamomum tamala lauracea is longer and wider. Culinarily, Indian bay leaves have a fragrance and taste similar to cinnamon, cassia, bark but milder. Spice market trends. Growth of bay leaf consumption expected. The consumer's interest in natural herbs and spices, as used for example in Ayurveda as remedies against illness, has increased, and further growth of the bay leaf market is envisaged. The increasing awareness of advantage has gained the attention of the consumers. Bay leaf is in powder form and as bay leaf oil. The consumption of bay leaf tea has increased due to its nutritional and healing benefits. Spice market trends. The global bay leaf market is expected to witness growth owing to its various health benefits and awareness rising among the consumers. The growth in essential oil demand due to the medicinal benefits is also a factor for driving the bay leaf market. Bay leaf essential oil helps to improve the scalp that supports hair strengthening. Spice market trends. Growth of bay leaf consumption expected. The consumer's interest in natural herbs and spices, as used for example in Ayurveda as remedies against illness, has increased, and further growth of the bay leaf market is envisaged. The anti-inflammatory property of the bay leaf reduces the chances of arthritis, and also the consumption of bay leaf improves insulin function, thus it helps also against diabetes.